Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are making a carrot orange olive oil cake, moist, fragrant, and so easy to pull together. Start by arranging a rack in the center of your oven and heating it up. Grease your 9-inch round springform pan with butter or nonstick spray. Then line the bottom and sides with parchment paper. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, cardamom, salt, and baking soda. Make a well in the middle and set aside. Now into the blender. Carrots, olive oil, sugar, eggs, orange zest, and juice. Blend until completely smooth. Then pour it straight into that well. Starting from the center, whisk slowly outward until there is no visible flour left. Pour the batter into your prepared pan. Drop the oven temperature just slightly and immediately put the cake in. Bake until a toothpick in the center comes out clean. Let it cool completely, then release the springform and dust with powdered sugar before serving. If you give this one a try, let me know in the comments how it went. And if you are not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button. See you in the next one.